other two. Bueno, espérame. ¡Qué gracioso! ¡Qué gracioso! Padre, por favor. Okay. Excuse me. Difícil. With my time winding down with the Fosters now, it feels bittersweet. I'm happy I was able to give them and their mom refuge for these past 2 months. I've enjoyed their company and the experience of being able to watch them grow. It's happened in the blink of an eye. Most of the time, fostering cats is a hands-off experience, because really, all we provide them is a space to grow up in. Their mother takes care of them, and you just peer in once in a while to check if they are okay. There even comes a point where you've got to be quick to catch them, or they'll slip right through your fingers. They even grow up to become annoyed of their mothers, just as we do too. have had a safe environment to grow up in and a comfortable place to live, take their first steps, lay eyes on their mother for the first time. But once they start to crawl and then stand on wobbly legs and then transition from walking to running, they feel more space. They knock things down, they take off running down the hallway at full speed, peer into different rooms, get into the closets, and you notice their presence. The house grows louder, hungrier, and then quieter as they sleep, only to start up again not much later. Sometimes even Mom needs a break from her kittens. Even though I'm sad to see them go, I know someone who won't be. Moon, our cat, has been terrified of the mama cat ever since we started fostering her. Even after the fosters are ushered back into the room and Moon is allowed to roam his home once again, he is still very cautious of if this is true, but with good reason. This mama cat is very hostile towards Moon and protective over her kittens. Don't get me wrong, she's super sweet with people. She has always been friendly and kind to my partner and me, but she flat out rejects the idea of sharing the space with another cat. Initially, we kept Moon and the mom separate from each other for around a month. We wanted to give both of them time to adjust. She stayed in one room with her babies while Moon got to roam the rest of the house. They knew each existed and could smell each other through the door. As the kittens grew older, we wanted them to be able to roam the house too. This is when we moved on to phase 2 in hopes that we could put them all together. A visual of each other through a glass door. It didn't go very well. We've decided to keep them separate since then to cause them both less stress and for safety. Clearly, she wants nothing to do with my cat.